Hey everybody, welcome to the directions for asynchronous number 2. This assignment is due on Sunday. You're not necessarily turning in this assignment, but you have to get the work on your slide because I'm able to access the slide and see if you did it or not. This will be for credit on PowerSchool as long as you finish up your poster. I am super glad that we as a class got to actually do and get started on some of this. So many great conversations came up in some groups. Not everything got onto the slide though. By the way, y'all, if y'all checked out my feedback Padlet, I tried my best. It was a little bit hard to use the tool, but some feedback I gave for some groups. Now let me go over what is asynchronous number 2. So this is the problem, of course. So what I did is I'd like you to finish up your poster. Now I divided up the work for you. So for example, here I put the two partners that will finish up this. So again, I want to see the annotations, very similar to how the group at the bottom did. I'm going to split it up. Like for example, we'll be working on number 1, second group will be working on number 2, and you're going to also put in some bullet points. Same thing here. I went ahead and divided the work up for you, so go ahead and get your work down here, except group number 2, I just saw that y'all made your own slides. So I just saw this, which is looking really good. So if you want to finish your work on this slide, please go ahead, and I'll go ahead and move these slides over to the other one so that everyone can see your amazing work. So y'all, shout out for group number 2. I had no idea they were doing some work on the side there. But I went ahead and put this in because I wasn't aware that y'all had a separate slide deck. But please finish up your slide deck by Sunday for me. Like for example, like annotate the graphs would be great. And then that'll be it because I see some amazing bullet points. I would like to see some explanations for this group as well because we're going to review this on Monday. All right, as well as for group number 3, I went ahead and I put down how to split up your work for asynchronous number 2. I'd like the first 2 to work on number 1, second 3 to work on number 2. For number 4, I did add some feedback if someone could add this in. But again, for the rest of the groups, I'd like to see annotations in the graph the same way that this group did in order to complete your asynchronous assignment number 2. Otherwise, I can't wait to see what work gets on here, and I'm happy to come back to class and discuss it. All right, y'all, good luck.